Injury with lime is a common cause of the chemical burn of ocular surface. A 17-year-old girl presented with history of accidental injury with household lime since 10 days. She was treated by the primary ophthalmologist with topical antibiotics and lubricants and was referred for further management. On examination, a large superior corneal and bulbar conjunctival epithelial defect was noted, along with diffuse congestion, lid edema, and lime particles stuck to the upper tarsal and bulbar conjunctiva with surrounding conjunctival burn and scarring. These lime particles were the cause of the non-healing epithelial defect. Due to coronavirus lockdown, fresh amniotic membrane was not available and hence a simple lime particle removal and conjunctival excision was planned. After peribulbar anesthesia, the location of surgery was marked. This is important as incessant bleeding can obscure landmarks. Lime particles adherent to underlying conjunctiva were excised, ensuring frequent hemostasis with sterile buds soaked in adrenaline. Surrounding scarred and burnt devitalized conjunctival tissue was then excised. After checking the fornices once again, a BCL was applied and eye was patched overnight. Post-operatively, the patient was put on intensive topical steroids, topical moxifloxacin, intensive lubricants, oral vitamin C, and medium dose of oral steroids. Over a period of 1 month, the epithelial defect slowly healed completely with residual anterior stromal scarring and a BCVA of 6 by 12. In any case of chemical injury, immediate saline wash and total removal of all chemical particles is essential. In an acute chemical burn, intensive topical lubrication and topical steroids are indicated with protection of the corneal surface with a bandage contact lens. Large defects with limbal ischemia and cases with adherent chemical matter need to be managed surgically with or without AMG.